7 Psychological Facts to Pick Up Any Woman, Single or Married. Number 1, be confident. One thing that almost always comes up at the top of the list of what attracts women is confidence. They are attracted to a man who is confident in who he is, what he has to offer and what he can achieve. Number 2, just be kind. Being perceived as nice by women can easily affect every other characteristic about who you are. It makes you an interesting guy. Number 3, make her laugh. A good sense of humor is considered attractive on both sides of the fence. But your sense of humor is far more important than hers. Women are attracted to guys who tell wholesome jokes. Number 4, show her that you can be selfless. There's always something to be said for the attractiveness of a selfless man. An unselfish man puts the needs of others, including the woman he's with, before his own. Number 5, be an active listener and adept communicator. You may not talk as much as she does, but what you say needs to matter. Women are more attracted to men who know how to listen to them. Number 6, don't be a needy man. The needy man does not know how to accept defeat, is unwilling to accept any level of criticism or rejection, and needs a woman to validate it. Women are attracted to detached men. Number 7, be honest about your flaws. Hiding your flaws by being dishonest means you are not open to accepting criticism, which can be perceived as needy. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.